Now let's install a third-party library called as Pyths. It's spelled as Pytz. Pyths is a library which allows us to configure the time zone within our program. So let's install that using pip. Pip3. Since we are using pip3 provided by Python 3, we are saying pip3 install pytz. Now this will check whether the Python library is already installed on the local machine or not. If it is not, then only it will start downloading it and then install it. Now here we can see that we are done with installation of the Python module. So this is how you can install a third-party library in your Python. Make sure that on your machine you might have pip3 or a pip. Depending on the machine and the Python version that you have, the pip version might change. Python developers work with dozens of third-party libraries. So to share the software that the developer has written with other developers, they use a requirements.txt file, which looks similar to what right now is there in front. So the requirements.txt file contains the package name and its relevant version number that the developer has used while development of the script or a software. The version number is really important because there might be a drastic difference between the two versions of the same package. Hence, software developers put the name of the package that they have used as a third-party library and its version in the requirements.txt file and share it with other developers so they can use his script or the program or a software, and before usage they can install these third-party libraries on their machine. So let's see how can we use this requirements.txt file and install all these requirements in our machine. We have to make sure that the requirements.txt is present within the same directory inside which we are running the command. If it is not present within the current directory, we will have to specify the entire path of the requirements.txt file. Let's use the pip3 command and the requirements file and try to install the requirements mentioned in the requirements.txt file. So pip3 install -r requirements.txt. So the pip3 is a command which is going to read from the requirements.txt file. So the -r gives an instruction to the pip3 that it should read the package name from the requirements.txt file, and it will check the package name and the version, and it will see if the package is already installed with that specific version or not. If it is present, it will ignore it. If it is not present, it will start downloading it. Along with this, pip will also make sure that if there is any dependency of the package not mentioned in the requirements.txt but needs to be installed, it will download that dependency as well and install it. So let's execute our command. Here you can see that it has started downloading the IPython library, and it will also check for all the dependencies and start downloading those dependencies. And as soon as the all dependencies as well as the required packages are installed, it will give us a message that it has successfully installed all the packages. Here we can see that it has successfully installed all the required libraries as well as their dependencies. So this is how we can actually install any of the third-party libraries that we are looking for. Now we can include this third-party library within our program by importing them, as well as we can import the classes, objects, or the functions present within these libraries in our program and use them as we do with the standard libraries or the local scripts that we have written.